All right, how's it going, guys? We are live right now. We are live. We are live. We are live, guys. Okay, so the ETF approval. If you know, yeah, Mohammed. You're welcome, 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 guys. Welcome, Mama. Sorry, Mama. You're welcome. Yeah, you're the first here today. Yeah, don't worry. Very soon I'll start giving rewards to those who are first on the live stream. Okay. Please, what is the exact time for the ETF news? The ETF news should be coming out. Is it 8 p.m. my time or 8:30 p.m.? I can't really say. Please, if you have an idea, okay, the exact time of that ETF news, I need to the Ethereum ETF news. I need to know. Okay, I need to know because I want to see if we can actually stream until the market start reacting. Market has been reacting to that already. Okay, the market has been reacting to that already, and let's see what we can do together, guys. Let's see what we can do together. Yeah, Mohammed. Yeah, second. Welcome, guys. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome everyone to the live. So as usual, okay. Yeah, the toast. Everybody's claiming position and all of that. Yeah, welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. As usual, okay. Make sure that you're smashing that like button, guys. Okay, smash that like button and let's get it rolling. But from the look of things, I see a lot of market selling. All right, Ethereum currently is trading at 3700. Okay, it is trading at 3700, and a whole lot actually going on right now, guys. A whole lot going on right now. So this one that I was holding, okay, that I was actually holding and all of that is dimming down and all of that. Okay, so let's start with a list of some of the meme coins that I have here. Doge is from 16. Look at that, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. From 16 cent, Doge is down to that 15-cent level. Okay, Shiba Inu is down to 24 cent. Everything is dumping right now, guys. Everything is dumping right now. So what will it be like? Will the ETF get approved or not? Will the ETF get approved or not? Guys, please let me know. Let me know. Does anyone know the exact time? Okay, the exact time, sorry. Hopefully I lost my tuition fee, $2,000. What should I do? Uh-uh. Hopefully. Okay, if that's truly your name, you should have hope. Okay, there is no need for depression here. You don't need to get depressed. I don't know what exactly happened. Can you share? Okay, what exactly happened? Do you want to share? If you want to come on stage and share, your experience, I don't mind. I can give you the mic. Hopefully, what exactly happened? Why will you lose $2,000? I think this is the mistake a lot of us actually make. That is why I just overlook some of you who just think you can just come to the platform and start, bringing some logic that I don't understand. Somebody says I should send signal. When they make profit from the signal, they will now start buying courses. And I'm like, if you can make profit from the signal, why buy course? Majority of you think maybe it's because our analysis are wrong and not or thereabout. That's why you lose money in trading. Okay, trading goes beyond the buy and sell option that you see here. It has to actually deal with you. The other aspect of it, okay, 80% of the trading aspect deals with you personally. Because I could send you a trade. For instance, let's take this WIF for instance, okay? It was in profit as at a point yesterday, right? It was in profit at the point yesterday. But I actually still closed this trade in profit because I started adding to my position. And then this particular green candle here that shoot up actually took me, I when I noticed this thing is not going in my favor, I just closed the trade. Okay. So it's not just about, knowing how to trade and all of that, guys. There's a whole lot beyond that. So you need to belong to a community that can actually help you manage all of these things at times. So hopefully I will share a link right now. Okay. If you don't mind, you can join using that link. Okay, you can join using that link and share your experience if you want to. If I say type now to actually take some time, but if you want to, you can use the link I'm sharing right now to join. Okay, and share your experience. It will allow you to join with any device you're using and all of that. Okay, so you can just click on the link, join and connect with me. All right, let's hear you talk about why did you lose $2,000? What exactly happened? Did you trade meme coins, or did you just focus on features? Okay, many of you are just starting out, all right? I know futures will give you quick money, but let's leave the quick money aside, guys. Start with spot trading. Do you know that your $2,000 could actually be giving you 5 to 10% on a daily basis? Let's not even do daily target. Do you know that with your $2,000 you can actually make 10 to 20% on a monthly basis trading only spot? Yes, 10 to 20% on a monthly basis trading only spot. 20% of $2,000, that should be around $400. If you are not greedy, $400 should at least be enough to start with, okay? Or $200 every month on top of your capital should be enough to start with. But some of us just want to double our money. We want to triple our money. We want to Lambo immediately. We just come into the space and then we want to Lambo immediately. It doesn't make any sense, all right? It doesn't make any sense. So I'm sorry you have to lose $2,000 and all of that, but it is what it is. Welcome. You don't need to be depressed, okay? You don't need to be depressed. You can still make back that money, right? You can still make back that money. All you just need, I need you to do right now is to put yourself together, all right? Some of us have actually lost more than that, all right? When I started crypto, with a quick story, guys, all right? If you want to hear my story, smash that like button, guys. I'm seeing only one like right now, 2 like, 3 like. Smash that like button if you want to hear my story. Okay, I've been in this space for a while and I have a story to tell, guys. Even up to now, I still lose money in this space. Okay, I still lose money and all of that. There were some trades I closed today at loss. All right, out of fear and all of that. So I closed some of those trades at loss and all of that. I think UNFI was one of those trades that gave me plenty money, but out of greed, I didn't close on time. And at the end of the day, I had to close, lose this half of my profit that I made already. Okay, I just shared a link. I hope that link is clickable. Okay, I just shared a link, guys. You can use that link to. Is hopefully that I want to join. Okay, I want hopefully to join the live show. So if you join and you are not hopefully, I won't admit you. All right. If he or she can share his or her experience, I wouldn't mind. But I'll tell you my story. But before then, I need the likes. Okay, guys, you need to like the video, guys. If you want to hear my story, if you want to hear my story, you need to like the videos, how I started and why I'm not giving up till now. Okay, because right now I still make money from crypto trading and all of that. We should actually have okay, I will do this to those who are buying the course, those who are paying for the course, okay, and then those who are paying for the bull run bags, those who want to buy some coins, preparing for the bull run and all of that. I will be making this available for you. So we'll be trading sports specifically with those group of persons and all of that. All right. So who is joining on stage right now? Nobody. Is the link clickable at all? Let me check if that link. Let me just confirm if the yes, it's clickable, right? The link I just sent now is clickable. Let me pin that so that pin message. Yeah. So you should be able to click that link and join. If you want to share your experience, you want to ask question, okay, and you don't want to type on the chat, just join using that link I just pinned on the chat there. Okay, you don't need to join with your video actually because I'm not going to show your face. Okay, so hopefully I'm sorry for your loss, but you don't need to be depressed. Okay, one thing I can assure you is, if I work with you, but I don't know if you will be able to raise capital again and all of that. Okay, if I work with you just trading only spot, you should be able to raise that money in the next 2 to 3 months. Okay, in the next 2 to 3 months and all of that, you should be able to raise that money. But I don't know, you don't need to be depressed. This is an assurance you will make back that money in this space. All right, you make back that money. It's just for you to know the ins and outs. That's basically it. Okay, please, I have banned from commenting on the yes, when you offend the Telegram platform, you get banned, right? You are not supposed to post, you are not supposed to spam the platform. You are not supposed to post links and all of that. Some of you will go and carry your referral links everywhere. You want to come and look for where to promote and all of that. So if you do all of those things, you get banned. Okay, so if you get banned, you tell me immediately and I see the message, I will unban you. All right, now you're telling me I've not read Telegram for a very since 3 hours now. I've not checked my Telegram, so I don't know what is happening there. Okay, I lost a lot today. Yes, I equally lose money too. Okay, Bright, it's not only you. I equally lose money too. That's the reason why we are here. We want to see what is happening, okay? If we can recover those losses. ADA wanted to use me to ship. I actually closed this ADA in profit, right? I was scalping ADA. I think I entered trade ADA 3 times today. Yes, I took 3 trades on ADA today alone, okay, and I made some money from it. So yeah, where is that ADA? Let me even check. Okay, let me check. Everything is just dumping right now. Okay, please, somebody should let me know when is the exact time for the ETF stuff. I think it's 8:30 UTC, right? 8:30 UTC. So it means it's like 1 hour from now, there, but I can't really say. Okay, let me know the exact time because I need to see if the market reacts to that. Whoa. Okay, look at that, guys. All right, this was the setup we had yesterday. So the market went up to around that 0.489, and then eventually we start dipping. But actually took advantage of all of this. I closed all my ADA trading profit. Okay, I closed all my ADA trading profit, and this just happened. So we need to look for a new setup. Okay, this is what happened in the market when you have news like I think there is a war currently. There is a threat of war currently in China. That is equally contributing to what you're seeing in the market right now. Okay, so there is a news about war and all of that in China that is equally contributing to what you're seeing in the market right now. Okay, so maybe if the ETF, the Ethereum ETF gets approved, that would be a boost to push the market up. Okay, so much can happen with signals are given when signals are given, such as late entry, forgetting to set stop loss, and anxiety set. Exactly. Pray. I hope every other person can resonate with you, right? And some persons will just wait. They will see the signal when you send it, or they will not enter. It is only when you have shared your PNL of 100%, 200%, that is when they want to enter. And I'm asking, are these people really all right? Like, I don't understand. When you are supposed to enter that trade, and then when you enter the trade, instead of you to set stop loss, you will not. So how is that the fault of the signal provider, please? How is that the fault of the signal provider? And then when you enter a trade, you enter with too much capital. At the end of the day, you either panic out or I don't know how to describe it. Okay, so it's not just about trading signal, guys. Okay, it is about managing your emotions, your fears, and your greed, and all of that. Okay. Yeah, so I have to talk from experience, guys. I have to talk from experience. AD actually currently is down by, let me see, from our entry point is down by 6%. That's huge, guys. Okay, that's huge. Every other token is just, I don't know, BTC 67K. Ethereum is still holding on very strong. The other one I was looking at is the ETH. Let me see what that one is currently doing. Okay, I think I just have to close on my trade right now, guys. Oh, look at that. Yes, this one still, but we are still up there, guys. Okay, for this one, we are still up there. We'll see what we can do. We'll look at other trades and see what we can do from here going forward. Okay, we'll look at other trades and see what we can do from here going forward. Okay, this thing I was hoping it to go hit my full TP, but I don't know. Let's see what happens. Okay, we just stay in the next 1 hour and see how the market reacts to all of these things. I think we'll just focus on scalping and all of that and make some profit for ourselves. Okay. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. Hopefully, right, the person that lost his school fees, I don't know why you should use your school fees to trade. Any of you who have DM me, some person will say, I want to use my contribution money, I want to use borrowed money, I want to sell my family land. Please, all those things are not necessary. Okay, can you make money in crypto? Yes, but you don't need to go borrow money to come make money in crypto. The pressure alone will make you lose that money within a twinkle of an eye. The pressure of wanting to return that money from where you borrowed it from will make you lose the money. No matter how good you are, just go and borrow money. They like the tension alone, because you are always struggling to return that money, will make you lose that money. Just one silly mistake like this, that money is gone. Okay? Pressures like not using stop loss because you don't want to lose the money now. It is money you borrowed. You have to return it. or there's a timeline for you to return that money and all of that. You need to return the money, so you cannot use stop loss. It's not possible, and you'll be watching the market just like you're saying with this particular token. Okay, which one would I use as an example? Like this one now. Okay, you end up you to say, okay, let me take a trend in the direction of the trend. You will not, because you don't want to close the first one at loss, but you want it to magically revert and start alone will make you lose money. You don't need to borrow money to do crypto. All right, you don't need to borrow money to do crypto. If you cannot trade, guys, go and hunt for airdrops. Hunt for airdrops. Fight for airdrop with your whole life until you get one. Okay, and then one that one of you is actually ignoring right now is the 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗽𝗶. Okay, the one that all of you are ignoring right now is 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗽𝗍. Okay, if you go to the description of this video, though some of you don't want to interact with it because it will cost you money actually, because that's the only way you can earn points, right? You need to interact, you need to like take real transaction on it. So what I'm basically doing is, if I'm sending, for instance, USDT from one wallet to another, I have multiple exchanges, so I can transfer my USDT from this exchange. If I see opportunity in the other exchange, I want to go and trade it. So instead of me transferring from this exchange to that exchange, I have my money in my MetaMask, on my MetaMask, right? So I'll just go to 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗽𝗍, and from 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗽𝗍, I just send the money to whatever wallet that I'm sending it to. And why I'm doing that, I'm earning some points from it. It's as simple as that. So I can have USDT on my account, okay? Let me go. The link to 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗽𝗍 and all of that is here. Okay, so I can have money on my account. You can just put in $100 here and just start sending it from one platform to another. All right. If you have to send the $100 to your Bybit, I can send it $10, and the more you transact, the more points you earn. Okay, so all I just need to do, let's say I have USDT on Ethereum, for instance, okay, and all of that, or maybe I have USDC. Let me say I have Ethereum. If for instance I have Ethereum here, and I want to sell that Ethereum to Solana, for instance, okay, I want to send the same my ETH to USDT in Solana. So I just type in here USDT, okay, USDT and all of that. So if I have some ETH here, I can send the ETH from here, okay, from my ETH network, okay, right, to as USDT to my Solana network on my Bybit wallet. So what I just need to do is to toggle this that says trade, okay, and send to another wallet. I toggle it on, it will ask me to put my Solana USDT wallet. So I'll go ahead and put the wallet there, connect, and send the money, and immediately in less than 4 seconds the money gets to my wallet, right? The money gets to my wallet, and that is it, and I'll be earning some points here. So I think they recently launched, made an announcement about they just made an announcement about their what's it called, their token launch. Okay, so the only way you can get those tokens for free right now, I don't know how much this will be worth, is by interacting on this platform. I've been singing this thing and I've not seen any of you to interact with the platform. So if you find it difficult, why not DM me on Telegram, and then I'll walk you through. We'll just do like 1 or 2 transactions. You earn some point. When the airdrop comes, you can get some. Okay, so that's basically how you make free money in this space. And I have a video on how to make some free money on Gate.io. That video will be coming up tomorrow, so keep an eye on that. Okay, is it advisable to leave trades to hit TP? But it depends. Okay, the reason why we send you trades, and then we are giving you TP1, TP2, TP3 up to TP10. Right? For instance, I was looking at a 73% move without leverage on ETH5. Okay, but already from my entry level here, this thing was already off by, okay, from my entry from here, okay, it's up by 30%. Okay, so if I've put like $100 in this stuff and I'm using like a 10x leverage, you can imagine how much I've made in that trade already. Okay, so I cannot wait until this thing hits full TP, because it can take days, it can take 2 or 3 days or even a week for this to hit full TP. So what I need to do is, as it's moving, I'm closing half of my position, or I'm moving my stop loss, I'm following it. All right, you can wait for your trade to hit full TP, but it doesn't mean that you will not secure the one you made already. It doesn't mean that you will not secure the one you made already, because as I'm waiting now, for instance, if I have not closed this trade, maybe eventually this thing comes back to entry. From entry, it goes back to stop loss. Will you be happy with that? All right. So yes, it is good to wait for full TP, but always secure profit when necessary. I've been posting this on the Telegram like that with that number. So I got liquidated by 3,800 USDT on BTC today. 3,800. What is 3,800? Is it the time or the price? I don't understand, Mohammed. You got liquidated. You're asking me, what do you want to do? What should you do? What do you want to do? You want to go and fight the exchange and bring back the money you got liquidated on? Please, I don't understand this your question. If you can reframe it, I will appreciate. Moreover, if you want to speak, you can use the link that I've posted there to join. So if you got liquidated by 3,800, 3,800, is it the time or the price? If it is the price, it means it is the Ethereum, not BTC, right? Is it 3,800 USDT? Please does. Wait, you got liquidated and you lose 3,800 USDT. It means that you must be trading with at least $100,000 in your account. Mohammed, okay, I can help you manage that account. For you to lose 3,800, it means that $3,800 is let me say 3% of your trading capital. So your account must be up to more than $100,000 or up to $100,000. It means you are trading with up to $100,000 for you to get liquidated this amount of money. How about now? How about you check up now? Don't type this thing where any other person will see you. If not, we'll come and look for you. Okay? How can you lose $3,800 in one trade? How much are you trading with? Are you trading with $1 million? And you are happy that you got liquidated. What happened to stop loss? You even have the guts to ask me, what should you do? Go and fight the exchange. Let them return the money to you. Okay? That is what you should do, Mohammed. No, I have to be this serious because at times some of you will just act as if, what do you want me to do? Which exchange did you trade on? I should go and tell the exchange to return back your money, right? If that is truly 3,800 USDT, it means that you have enough money to be trading with. So yeah, I don't need to pity you. Okay? For you to enter a trade with $3,800 in one position and you allow it until you got liquidated. That is if I understood what you meant to, because I'm reading and interpreting the message, I'm trying to understand it. If truly you lose 3,800, it means that you have a lot of money. So I can help you manage that money and you just be paying me small commission, okay? Okay? I don't think 3,800 is, even with $50,000, guys. Except you are trading with that big amount of money, okay? Except you are trading with that big amount of money. How about now? How about? Because 3%, okay, 3% of $10,000 is around $300. So if we have 20%, it means that your 3% should be around $600. If you have $30,000, your 3% should be around $900. So it means that the account is over, for you to lose 3,800, it means that your account is over anything between $70,000 to $100,000. All right, don't worry, you make back the money. Just put another $10,000 in one position and you get back that 3,800. It's as simple as that. All right, but there is nothing you can do. That is what you want to hear. There is nothing you can do. You have lost, the money is gone, it's gone. There is nothing you can do, okay? You can't go and fight the exchange to bring back your money. You got liquidated, so you lose the money. If you have put 3,800 in one particular token, let's say buying this particular token, and this market moves up by 30%, you would have made additional 30% from that $3,000. Okay, that is one mistake some of you make. You come into the space, you carry your whole money, you go into leverage trading. What happened to spot? Because spot wastes time now. Spot is, the percentage is small. You want to see when somebody will share 900, 1,000 PNL and you join. Okay, and that way you make the money fast. Okay, the more you are chasing that money fast, the more you'll be losing the money fast. Okay, some of you just need to be flogged. I will invite all of you one of these days, keep you somewhere and be flogging you very well, so that sense to manage your capital very well will enter your head. Okay, yeah, sense to manage your capital very well will enter your head. For your patience with us, boss, and making us improve. Yeah, thank you so much, Aziz. Thank you. But some of you need to be flogged, okay? The way you just carelessly throw money around, you need to be flogged. If I have $2,000 and I'm coming into the crypto space for the first time, guys, smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button. All right? Some of the information I share are what my colleagues charge a lot of money for, but I share it for you for free. And that is why some of you take me for granted. I share all this free information. You don't know that I can sell all this information to you and use the money to go and buy Lamborghini and be flying around, and you'll be thinking that I have all the money in the world, that I'm the best trader. Now, because I'm not driving any Benz, I'm not flying Lamborghini and the rest, many of you don't take me serious. Okay? But when I start charging you $5,000 to be in my private community, and at the end of the day, I raise that capital and buy Benz just to show off. And every day I will just sit down in front of my Benz, just fire the car, you know, get an iPhone, get a good picture and post it. Many of you, even if I decide to sell a course for you for $10,000, you will pay. At the end of the day, I will not teach you anything. There's nothing you can do. Okay, IS, you will just rant, and when you get tired, you get tired. There's nothing you can do. But I will get to that level very soon. I don't need to deceive you to get to that level, right? I don't need to deceive you. I don't need to take money by force from you to get to that level. But what I'm trying to say here is, guys, for instance, if I have $2,000 and I'm coming into crypto for the first time, okay, the first thing I would do is put like 1,900 inside my spot account. All right, and basically every day I'll be looking at a token that can give me 5 to 10% move. All right, 5 to 10% move, I'm done. Then I will use $100 and enter futures. That $100 on futures, I'll be managing it there. If I make money, if I'm able to double or triple or 10x that $100 in futures, I will still remove money from that futures and fund my spot account. All right, the more I'm making money from futures, the more I'm removing that money to fund my spot account. If for any reason one of these days I lose the money I have on the futures account completely, I know that there is another business somewhere that will fund back that futures account. I can go back to my spot, okay, and borrow money from my spot account, come back to futures and start trading again. All right. Some of us think is until you have, I know when you have big money in futures account, it helps a lot. But when you are just starting out, you don't have the experience. Why will you carry the whole of your $10,000 and put inside leverage trading when you can conveniently, patiently be making small money with that, okay, on spot and all of that? So that's basically what I would do, and that is basically what I advise anybody here to do. If you are just starting out, you have $1,000, use $900 to do spot, use $100 to do futures. When you lose the money on futures, you use spot again to fund the futures. And when you make money on futures, you'll be removing the money and be using it to fund the one in the spot market. I'm giving you this free information for free. If you like, make use of it. If not, that's your business, guys. Keep losing the money. After all, the money is not coming to me. Majority of you are not trading with my Bible link, so why should I even be bothered? When you are trading with my Bible link, whether you lose money or you make money, Bible will still share the commission they are collecting from you with me, right? But most of you, videos I make online now is just to teach you how to use the Bible account you already have. I've begged some of you to do KYC transfer. None of you is answering me. Is there any other way I can buy crypto apart from Bybit? Yeah, you can. There are a whole lot of ways out there, okay? There are a whole lot of ways out there. Moreover, if you want to buy crypto, I've told you guys in the platform, okay? If you don't want to do P2P, just let me know. Send me your money, I'll get you crypto, or send me your crypto, I'll get you the money to your bank account. That is if you're in Nigeria, okay? But now I can only do Nigerian bank transfer and all of that. Please send the link back, the debrief. The link is in the video description, okay? This is the link here. Go to the video description, you see where it says start using debrief. Click on it. Okay, but if you want me to send it on the chat, on the comment section, I can equally do that. Okay, so please go and seek knowledge, right? Go and seek knowledge. Learn how to, even when you seek the knowledge, some of you will still do what you want to do, what is in your mind. Okay, you will still do what is in your mind. All right, some of you will still do what is in your mind. Okay, it's not just about seeking knowledge. Even when you seek the knowledge, some of you will still do what is in your mind. I know. So somebody will tell you, do this one, and then you go about that. Okay, so that's the link for the debrief. You can just go ahead. I wanted to pin it, but I can't do that. The stuff is not allowing me to do that. All right. So let's see what's happening here, guys. Okay, I'll remove all of these things that didn't I'll give you new setups before we proceed and all of that. There are some few tokens that I'm looking at buying this night, but I need to get that news. If the news on ETF is positive or negative, I need to get that. Okay, that's what I'm patiently waiting for. I've sent the link. Bright, I've sent the link. Okay, I hope you'll be able to see it. So make sure you connect your wallet and start using the 𝗕𝗲𝘀𝗁 platform. Okay, and start using the 𝗕𝗲𝘀 platform, guys. Welcome. Smash that like button, guys. Okay, smash that like button for me. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. All right. If you are coming into this space, if you are new, guys, all right, except if the only capital you can afford is $100, that is when I can say, okay, go to futures. But even if you go to futures, taking signals alone without understanding the basics of support and resistance, that's just the only thing I want you to learn. Okay, just know where your support levels are, where your resistance levels are on at least the 4 hours time frame. Then you can go to the lower time frame and be using it to make take decisions there and all of that. Okay, use it to take decisions on the lower time frame and be trading. Okay, and if you are just starting out, there's no need, you don't have a business except if the trade has gone in profit already for you. Okay, you don't have any business holding a trade for 2 days. Some of us are fond of that. When a trade is going against you, that is when you hold a trade very long. But when it's going in profit, immediately you close it sharp, you don't come out. Okay, but when you end up holding a losing trade for long, and that losing trade will end up eating all the profit that you made, okay, plus your capital, okay, plus your capital and all of that. All right. I don't know. Sorry, Mohammed, if I sounded so harsh, but I needed to. Okay, please send me a message on Telegram. Just DM me on Telegram. I need to know the size of your capital and why you should lose that kind of money at a time. All right. So that I will help you restructure the stuff for free. Okay, I can do that for you for free. But the next person would actually pay dearly for it. Okay. Yeah. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Smash that like button. Let's get it rolling. Okay, that's the link for the 𝗕𝗲𝘀𝗁. So go ahead and play with it. Okay. Go ahead and play with it and qualify for airdrop. They just made an announcement about their token launch and all of that. So any moment soon, people will start getting those airdrops. So start interacting with them now before. Maybe this could actually be huge. All right, those of you who got 𝗖𝗿𝗆, which other airdrop again gave plenty money? Is it 𝗖𝗿𝗆? Yes, 𝗖𝗿𝗆 did plenty money, and other airdrops early this year, people made a lot of money. Okay, I changed my KYC transfer to you, sir. Please, can you do a video about airdrop full idea of it, sir? Well, I don't have other airdrops, okay, but the one I have presently now is for the 𝗕𝗲𝘀𝗁, and I just showed you. Okay, it's very simple. All you just need to do is to come in here to the platform. All right. Aziz, we can do this together. Just send me a DM, okay? After I send me a DM, maybe I'll just do like a screen share with you. I'll see you, walk you through on how to do that stuff. And I'm equally looking for arbitrage opportunities on 𝗕𝗲𝘀𝗁. Okay. Now, when you go to CoinMarketCap or any other platform you use for your tokens and all of that, you see that some of these tokens are on multi-chain. Right, just like you can send USDT in 𝗘𝗍20, you can send it in 𝗘𝗍20, you can send it in Arbitrum, all of these different networks. Right, some tokens are like that. So if I know that a particular token that is on Ethereum network and on Solana network is trading, the price on Ethereum network is different from the price on Solana network, all I just need to do is to use my USDT here, go to the Ethereum network, okay, swap it to that particular token, and then come back, swap that token back to the Solana wallet, the Solana network, and then the difference becomes the price that you make. Then from the Solana network, I can swap it back to USDT. You make money. It's as simple as that. Okay, so that's the next phase of what I'm looking at, just to use it for arbitrage trading and be making some profit. So while I'm using the platform, I'm equally making some profit, right, for myself. And at the end of the day, I'm getting some points, and then they go ahead. But since you sign up with my Bybit link, okay, just send me a DM, and I'll see how I can walk you through. If I don't do it this night, tomorrow morning we can do that. Okay, I see how we can, so that subsequently you can now start doing it on your own and be earning some points, so that in case the airdrop comes out, you'll be able to equally qualify for the airdrop. Okay, I want to join, but network is not. Sorry about that, Mama. Okay, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Maybe you can always try. Okay, you can always try next time. Okay, guys. So welcome to the live show. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Okay, and do me a favor by smashing the like button, guys. Okay, do me a favor, help your boy. All right, it's good for the YouTube algorithm so that we can actually get a whole lot joining my live stream. Because if I get at least 100, 500, 1,000 people joining my live stream, it will encourage me to continue to do that. The software I'm using for this is paid. Okay, I cannot spend all this money and then people are not interested in this business. Okay, so for this particular one, for WIF, I'm still looking for a buy. All right, I'm still looking for a buy right now. I'm still looking for a buy, but I want to see how this thing reacts here, right? I want to see how this thing reacts here. So yeah, you see that massive impulsive move to the downside. Immediately will bounce up from this area back up. So that's the area where I will be looking for a trade to the upside. Okay, I'll be looking for a trade for this particular token from here to back to that $3 level. All right, from here back to that $3 level, I could actually put my stop loss around this area, which is around 5% plus, and I will use the buy bid scale order type to add some positions and all of that from here to the upside. Okay, from here to the upside. All right, so guys, go ahead, and if you want to really learn, okay, we've put together a step-by-step guide for you, and this is the pre-order price. At the end of the day, this course will be going for $150, and I know some of you will end up paying this $150, so why not buy now at $25? Okay, you get access to this course, and then we'll be having like weekly workshop. For those of you who want to manage your portfolio very well, we'll help you, okay, on how to build up your portfolio and all of that on the weekly workshop and all of that. Okay, so we just let you know. Now the thing is with this course, okay, you don't really need to be in the crypto space during the bull run, and then when we enter the bear market, you run away. All right, the whole essence is to help you stay active. Even in the bear market, you can still be making profit. All right, so you can go and get that course right now before we actually change the price by next month. Okay, next month we're entering next month by next week. Okay, so the price will go back to $150, so you can get it right now at that $25 for free. And the beauty is that when you come in here, you can pay in any currency of your choice. You can pay in dollar, you can pay in naira, you can pay in pounds, Ghana cedis, all of this. Okay, you can pay in all of these different currencies and all of that, right? And if you want to pay with crypto, just let me know. I'll send you a wallet where you can make the payment to. Okay, all right guys, so yeah, this is what I'm looking at for WIF. Okay, and then for Doge as it is right now, guys, I'll be waiting for this is my 382 level, I think. Okay, I don't know which yellow line I marked there, but since I didn't label it, but I know it's a key level. Okay, so I'm looking at buying back Doge at that let's say 15 cents, right? Because this is 0.148. Let's say 15 cents. Okay, I'll be looking to buy Doge from this area back up. Okay, I'll be looking to buy Doge from this. That is if we don't bounce from this area, because right here you see that we have this resistance here. Okay, if this resistance that we rejected here before becomes a support, then Doge can actually start bouncing from here to the upside. But I want to patiently wait for Doge to come down to that $14, below 15 cents, okay? And then I'll start buying, right? I'll start buying. So right now, I don't need to rush. Let me see how the market play out. And basically with the news, I don't know what the ETF news holds for us this night. The Ethereum news holds for us. So with that news, I'll be taking trades if I see market reacting positively or negatively. Okay, if market continues to Ethereum, my eye is still on Ethereum. Okay, let's see what will happen from here, guys. Let's see what will happen from here. If we can actually reverse from here and continue the upward movement, I don't know yet, but let's see what happens. All right, that's why we are here. So let's see the reaction we'll get once that announcement is made. 8:30 UTC should be my own. Is it 8:30 my time or 9:30? I can't really say. I think it should be 9:30. Okay, somebody should confirm that for me. 8:30 UTC will be my own time when. Okay, I use two exchanges. I use Binance for my spot, and then I use Bybit for futures. No matter what happens, money wouldn't leave my spot in Binance to Bybit futures. That way, I can be more careful. Exactly. All right, it's as simple as that, Mama. All right, I concur with your plans and all of that. Okay, but personally, what I do is there are some days you just make one kind of huge big money like that. Okay, and at the end of the month too, I go through my account history, my trade history, and all of that. Check if my account has grown by maybe 20 20, 30, 100%, I remove a certain percentage of that, put it back to my spot account. All right, I put it back to my spot account, or I go to my DCA bot and then put the money there, and the money will be doing DCA for me on a daily basis on Bybit. All right, I do that basically, and then at the end of the day, the DCA I started doing all this year. From the beginning of this year, all of them are all in profit. Even with the dump we are seeing right now, okay, that bot for this year is still in profit for me. Okay, that's the power of dollar cost averaging and all of that. So that's basically what I do, and I like what you do too. So when you make money from futures, at the end of the week, at the end of the month, still remove some, okay, and all of that, while you are growing the futures account too. Okay, that's the whole essence of that. That's the whole essence of that. I agree with you. Okay, what token are you trading on? If you are just joining, okay, you just pay attention and follow the analysis we are doing, okay? You'll see all the tokens we are trading, and then you'll be able to follow. All right, but for the one I've given a setup on the WIF, okay? For WIF, I'm waiting for it to come down to, that level of, where's the buy? Okay, 2.77. All right, and I'll be buying this coin until we get down to 2.66. All right, anything below that, if it continues to dump, then I'm out of the market. I will accept my stop loss and I'm out of the market. Then for Dogecoin, I tell you, okay, wait for Doge to come down to 15 cents. You can start buying from there. All right, wait to buy Dogecoin at 15 cents and then all of that. So for Shiba Inu is back to my entry, and then it bounced up immediately again. Okay, SHIB came back to that entry and immediately it bounced up immediately. So if I check a higher time frame, you'll see, okay, from this trend line here, so it broke out. So I would take this pullback here as a retest to start looking for newer opportunity to take a trade to the upside. Okay, to start looking for new opportunities to take a trade to the upside. But if the buy drop down to that level, all right, that could be a good buy. All right, that could be a good buy to the upside. But right now, I don't have any setup on Shiba Inu. Let me just see when the ETH news comes up and see what will happen. If we are going down or up, then I'll be buying. But right now, I don't have any setup on that. Okay. Then for MIM, I sent this morning. It was in profit at some time, and then when it started dumping, I decided to close my trade. Okay, and all of these things are just to get everybody liquidated before the major news happened. That's exactly what is happening, right? So we were up here, and then immediately we descended back to that level that I've been looking at here. Okay, and then it bounces up immediately to liquidate everybody. It bounces up immediately and all of that. So one thing I can now wait for is patiently wait for that market to come stabilize at that area, or if it will continue to, since we are back to the trend line. Okay, if I check the higher time frame, all right, I thought this was a breakout, but it never happened, right? You see, we have been rejecting from that trend line down there. Okay, so basically what we'll be waiting for right now is that breakout didn't hold. So let's see how this thing works. Okay, let's see how this thing works. Is it I'm taking a trade from here to the upside? Okay, we'll come back to that level. Sorry, I'm looking for long, not short. Okay, wait for market to come to this level here. We'll start taking trades again to the upside. All right, and that's basically, that is if we don't reject. Okay, for MIM, all right, if we don't reject from here to the upside and claim back this above this trend line here, then I'll be waiting for MIM to come down to 0.024. That's where I'll be looking to buy MIM. All right, that's why I'll be looking to buy MIM to the upside. But let's see how the market will react to this. Okay, let's see how the market will react to this. All right, okay, so that's what I'm looking at for MIM. And the other token I'm looking at, guys, Bonk has been holding on to that, very strong. Okay, since Bonk started pumping. I don't know what is happening to Bonk. The team doesn't want to. This reaction in the market is not affecting it that much. Okay, Bonk has been holding on very strong there, so I don't know what is happening to it. Okay, and I actually closed my trade on Bonk. I would have held on to it. I closed somewhere around there, right, at 34, 33 cents or so. So, and then Bonk went up to around 37 cents. So it's still holding on very strong. I don't know why. What's happening with Bonk? Bonk of all people. Every other coin, Pepe is dumping. Let's see Pepe, right? Yeah, Pepe from that level of 0.0147. It came down, but it's still holding on Pepper is still holding on at that area, the daily open, so that's what we are holding on very strong. Okay, but I'm not going to trade Pepper right now. Okay, I'm not going to either short or long Pepper at the moment. And Bong is still equally holding on very strong, guys. Okay, 𝗕𝗲𝘀𝗁𝗃 is one of those tokens I was looking at, but 𝗕𝗲𝘀𝗃 is still battling with this area right here, guys. Okay, 𝗕𝗲𝘀𝗃 is still battling with this area right here. And basically for 𝗕𝗲𝘀𝗃, be looking, if we descend back here, we'll be looking to trade, I don't know. Okay, I'm not going to take random trades and then leave the trades till daybreak. Okay, if not, Asians will come in and do some things. If you are longing, they will go and short everything in the market, and if you are shorting, they will go and long everything in the market. Okay, 830 UTC is 430 EST. Essentially, I don't understand. EST, my own time should be, what is my own time say? Watt plus 1, right? My own time, check for WAT. I think plus 1 is mine, I'll be plus, I don't know. It can be plus 1 or thereabout. Okay, check WAT. Check the 830 UTC is what time in WAT. Check that. That's what I want you to do for me. Okay, check 830 in what? Okay, what is it for me? Because you are getting me most confused, telling me 430 EST. Okay, check for, convert it to WAT. What is it? Okay, let me know for WAT. Okay, yeah, we just have to wait patiently for that news if it has not happened already, because maybe it didn't get approved, which is why everything is dumping. But if it didn't get approved, Ethereum would have gone down more than 3,700, right? Ethereum is still holding on to 3,700. Okay, if the news is hard and is not approved, Ethereum will immediately descend down like wildfire. Okay, Ethereum will immediately descend down like wildfire. But let's see what happens. Somebody should do the conversion for me, please. What's the time? Okay, what's the time? Let's know. I would have found out about those things before even coming live. So sorry about that, guys. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Samuel, for confirming. That's 9 o'clock. So we still have about 8 let's say approximately 1 hour from now, right? We still have 1 hour from now. So can we stay up to then? Somebody should join me on stage. Let's discuss, guys. Somebody should join me on stage, or just ask random questions. Okay, so we still have about 1 hour 30 minutes we can stay till then, right? I just want to take advantage of the volatility in the market. Now that the market is dumping, if this gets approved, everything will just start, not everything as per se. Ethereum and every other related token will start, rocking it up to the upside. All right, Ethereum and every other related token will start rocking it to the upside if it gets approved. But if it doesn't get approved, then you can see more dumps in the market. All right, so we can patiently wait for it. Then who can keep me company here, guys? All right, your interaction, your questions, let's get it. Okay, if you want to share your experience, guys, you can join me live and just share your experience with us and all of that. But basically, guys, there is money to be made in crypto. I'm not going to lie to you that you will make that money overnight. Okay, even if you like, come into this market with $100,000. All right, I won't lie to you that you will double that money in a few days. Okay, you won't double that money in a few days, but with patience and consistency, you can actually double that money over time. You can take that money to $1 million and all of that. All right, it takes time. Okay, it takes time and patience. You don't need to rush these things, guys. Okay, you don't come into this space and then you enter a trade with $3,000 and you just be looking at the market. The thing is going against you. You'll be looking at it until you get liquidated. You are looking at it. How about now? How about? Okay, that is the reason for stop loss. Now look at it, guys. Just think about it. If I'm to raise $3,000 in a trade, and then I allow that trade to go against me, and I lose that $3,000, it means that I'm deliberate about that, right? it means that I know what I'm doing. Because if I want to really risk that much, okay, if my margin size is $3,000, I can say, okay, I'm risking 50% of this. So it means if the market takes $1,500 from me, I will close it and then hold back 1,500 to fight back, right? That is if I want to really be that careless and raise that kind of money, right? Otherwise, that 1 to 3% risk management, whatever that that I say is the standard of the amount you should risk, should equally apply to now. Crypto is a bit different from when it comes to position sizing, right? It's a bit different from forex. All right, it is in forex where your broker gives you a leverage of 500x, and you will use that 500x. You can now start controlling that using your lot size, right? But in crypto, I can actually increase. All right, what I tell people is, if you are going to use a very little margin size, why not increase your leverage? Okay, and if you are going to use a big margin, reduce your leverage. It is still the same thing. All right, it is the same thing. Look at this. If I use 100x leverage, right? Let's say I want to trade. I can't do Bybit right now, right? I'm not logged into my account. Oh shit! I'm not logging. Okay, I'm not logged into my account, but we'll do that a different day, okay? Because if it is going to cost me $100 to open a particular position with a 10x leverage, all right? If I use 100x leverage, it means that I don't need $100 to open that same position. Just need $10 to open that same position. Okay, now you that is using 100x leverage and the person that is using 10x leverage, because your position size is the same, you could make this, your 100% could be another additional $100, and then the person who is trading with a 10x leverage can make 100 and the same $10. Okay, use it, but the only difference is the PNL, right? The number, the percentage in PNL. That person who is using 100x leverage, okay, will get the PNL will be bigger, but you that is using 10x leverage, your PNL will be smaller. It's as simple as that. All right, so learn how to manage leverage and your margin size. Learn how to manage leverage and your margin size. Okay, if I'm going to use a very high leverage, I don't need to go in with the whole of my capital. All right, and if I'm using a smaller leverage, I can increase my margin and all of that, and all of them will still work for you either way. All right, but to be on the safe side, it is advisable that you stick to one particular leverage. Don't enter trade 1, you are using 10x leverage. You enter trade 2, you are using 100x leverage. You enter trade 3 because Mr. B did 150x leverage, you go and change your leverage to 150x leverage. Or you enter a trade with 2x leverage, and then when the trade start going in your favor, you go and change your leverage to 100x leverage. If I enter a trade with 2x leverage, this is one thing some of you don't know. The exchange is not designed to foolishly be throwing their money at you. Okay, if I enter a trade with 2x leverage and eventually that trade goes in my favor, okay, the margin size that I use in that trade for that 2x leverage maybe is $50, for instance. If that trade start going in my favor and I go ahead and change the leverage from 2x to 100x, it doesn't mean that the profit I'm making will change. Okay, the profit will not change. Your profit will still be calculated. The only thing is that the exchange will not say, oh, you have increased your leverage. That position size initially, if it is worth $2, that is $2. Your margin size will not be $2. So you will still be making that same profit you are supposed to even make using the initial leverage that you entered a trade with. So from the onset, make up your mind. This trade, I want to go with 2x leverage and stay in it until you close the trade. Or I want to go into this trade with 10x leverage, stay in it until you close the trade. So choose a particular leverage. You can start with 2x, you can start with 3x, you can start with 4x, 5x. At most, for a beginner, go with 10x leverage and stick to that, guys. It is not about the 100x leverage. It is not about the high PNL. It is about the money you are making for yourself. Okay? It is about the money you are making for yourself. So, take it easy, guys. Take it easy. Don't be losing money anyhow, okay? Don't be losing money anyhow. Okay? Share your beginning experience with us, boss. You want to hear my experience? I started doing crypto. Okay, what introduced me to crypto was MMM. Those of you who are Nigerians, I think MMM was a global thing, right? It was going from country to country. So when MMM came to Nigeria, some of us knew about MMM as at 2013, right? Yeah, 2013 or thereabout. So when we started, what was that language they were using? Give help. Is it provide help or provide whatever? When we started doing that, when I discovered that MMM was paying 50% every 30 days in crypto, okay, I started doing Bitcoin. All right, because what it requires is that you need to buy, you need to provide your help using crypto. And the exchange that I use, okay, Remitano has been in this country for a very long time. Remitano was the exchange I used. Those of you who know Remitano, but some of us have neglected and forgotten about Remitano. So Remitano was the exchange that I used as at then. So I need to go to the bank. The way I was buying my crypto is I go to the bank. Okay, Remitano will give you an account. You go to the bank. There was nothing like bank transfer or whatever. Go to the bank, pay, snap the teller, come back to Remitano and snap and send back the teller as proof of payment. And you need to do this thing within 15 minutes. If not, once that countdown finishes and you have not uploaded your proof of payment, the transaction cancels immediately. So as you are going to the bank, you are telling whoever that is attending to you, please post this money. Somebody needs it. It's emergency. It's emergency. Okay. So the person posts the money and you snap the teller and you send it to the Remitano platform. Then they will credit you with Bitcoin. All right. As early as that, 2013, you can imagine how much Bitcoin was selling there. In fact, it never occurred to me that something good will come out of Bitcoin. Right. I was just doing MMM. And eventually when MMM vanished, okay, when MMM vanished, some of us were disappointed, all right? We were disappointed and all of that. So we didn't do any business again. So we just forgot about it, all right? We just forgot about everything. And that was my first experience with crypto. If I knew then that something good was going, that is the power of information, right? I just heard that only MMM was the thing I know that I could do with crypto, with Bitcoin then and all of that. I just go buy Bitcoin, transfer it. What I learned was how to withdraw it from, Remitano to my MMM wallet that I was supposed to send it to and all of that. And after that, I didn't do crypto again until 2016. Yeah. I think it was 2016 or thereabout. 2016, yes. When a platform like BitConnect, okay, yeah, BitConnect was another one that ate my money. 2016, 2017, right? Yeah, 2016, 2017, BitConnect came into the picture. I think it was actually 2017 I got involved with BitConnect. I never knew that exchanges like Binance and other exchanges were coming into the business, and then they were launching their coin. As at then, Binance was trading less than $1. BNB that is $600 today was trading less than $1. Let me check BNB, guys. Okay, was trading less than $1 at 2017. So BitConnect came into the picture, and I got into BitConnect through a pastor in Abuja here. Okay, I had a Golf that I was using for taxi in Abuja. So when we drive around, we always listen to all these radio programs and all of that. So this group of persons came to the radio to advertise the business that will make you a millionaire. So at times I would just, leave my business because I wanted to be, the way they will advertise all these things, like you feel that once you go there, your problem is solved. So that was how I went to BitConnect. I went to that seminar, and then at the seminar, it was BitConnect that introduced to us. I started BitConnect. They say, this token is going to something, it's going to that, it's going to that. As foolish as I was, okay, I decided to sell the car because I wanted to be financially free. I decided to sell the car. Everybody around me was telling me, don't sell it. So I decided to sell that car. And then I used the money to put, I think I raised up to $1,000 as at then, 2017, okay? I raised up to $1,000. I put all of those money in BitConnect, all right? And the stuff was working. And all of that. Now, to supplement that, I started a YouTube channel. That YouTube channel has been blocked since. I started a YouTube channel. It died with BitConnect, actually. Okay, and I started posting about Bitcoin and all of that, and eventually the Bitcoin stuff got stuck. The coins became worthless. Now, this thing I was telling you, as at then, Bitcoin was ranking number 2, or number 3 on CoinMarketCap. So you can imagine the amount of volume that came into Bitcoin and all of that. So Bitcoin was ranking number 3 on CoinMarketCap. The Bitcoin token was ranking number 3. So we felt that something good would come out of it. And all of a sudden, we started hearing system maintenance and all of that. And that is how that coin vanished to thin air. Okay? So everything, I lost everything. And I was, at the point I was actually hopeless. Right? I was hopeless. Now, because I had the skills of web design, digital marketing, and all of that. Okay? I started teaching in one computer school where I was staying, somewhere in Abuja here. Okay, and then from there, I was getting, businesses like website design business. At times, schools would tell you, my friend would just link me to a school, I would do website for them, and all of those things. So I would do website, I would do social media marketing for some group, and all of that. Okay, and that was how I was able to equally raise money again. And when I started raising money, at the end of the day, which other one again came that I said, well, I'm not going to do this thing. I'm not going. Yes, 𝗕𝗄𝘃 came. I looked at 𝗕𝗄𝘃. They say it has a physical product. This one will not do. And then they have an office, a physical office in Ghana. So Nigerians were traveling here, go to Ghana. They will snap with these Chinese guys that will come. They say, these people are real. These people are that. So we started 𝗕𝗄𝘃. If you check my channel, this particular channel we are now, okay, you see 𝗕𝗄𝘃 videos there. So we started 𝗕𝗄𝘃 and all of that. And eventually that one too quenched. Then from 𝗕𝗄𝘃, I moved into 𝗕𝗄𝘃. Okay? 𝗕𝗄𝘃, we pushed that one, and eventually again it quenched. And in all of these platforms, we were joining it using crypto. Right? We were transacting on those platforms using crypto. You pay, you subscribe to it using crypto, and they pay you using crypto. And all of that. So, and I say, this platform claim that they are trading for us. Okay, majority of this platform claim that they are trading for us. So if they will be trading and be running away with our money. Just imagine, as at 2017, I'm putting $1,000 into a platform that just vanished to thin air. If I've bought, even if it is Bitcoin alone with $1,000, do you know how much that would be? But that's the problem with us. We are not patient to wait that long. We don't, some of us who don't have that in how will I describe it? That investor's mindset. Okay, we don't see far. We only look at the nana. That's what we look at. Okay, we only look at the nana. And all of that. Let's say I put $1,000 as at then. This is BNB, right? The current price now is 600. Okay. Let's say I put $1,000. Let me even check when this thing was made available here. Let's say I even put $1,000 into BNB as at 2017, buying this token at even if it is $1. Let's say from here. Okay, I'm looking at the Bybit. Let me check the Binance chart. Okay, let me look at the Binance chart. Yes, let me look at Binance Spot for this. Yeah, the Binance Spot chart. Let me see. Let's say as at 2017, look at this, guys. This, okay, this is where all this started. All right, this is when this coin started trading here. Let's say it was at $1, but it started trading. This is the data you can get here, says 0.5. Okay, and when was this? This was November 2017. November 2017. Okay, let me even say I bought BNB worth $1,000 at $1. All right, it means that I would have gotten 1,000 of those tokens. Right? I lose that $1,000 and I forgot about it, right? I didn't kill myself. But let's assume that I did that stuff here, okay? And I got 1,000 of this token. And I patiently held that token till today. Somebody do the math for me, okay? 1,000 of this token multiplied by the current price of BNB, which is around $500 right now, okay? Let's use $500. So multiply 1,000 by 500. How much would that be? Just multiply 1,000 by 500 from how much would that be? Okay, that is how big I would have been, but I never did, right? I never did. Now check the price of Bitcoin as at that November 2017. If I put my $1,000 into Bitcoin and today Bitcoin is $70,000, how much would that be? Right? So all of these things, some of us pay deaf ear to read. Now, the same way I'm telling you this story, okay? Give BTC 10 years from now. A lot of people will still regret why they didn't buy BTC today at $60,000. All right? Yes, give BTC 5-10 years from today. Many of you that I'm talking to today will still regret why you didn't buy BTC at $60,000. It's like that, because you won't. There's nothing I will say right now that will make sense to you. BTC is actually quite expensive right now. It didn't make sense to me when I was doing MMM with my Bitcoin. It didn't make sense to me when I was doing 𝗘𝗍𝘆𝗽𝗁, doing all this platform, right? But today I just feel I would have put my money here and just waited, right? I would have put my money here and just waited. So that was how. Now, if you check, I've lost a lot of money trying to do all of this platform. That was how I came into trading, and then I started trading. Some of you who have been following me for a while, I told you on my WhatsApp group that it's better we do this thing ourselves. If we lose the money, let's lose the money. I started buying courses. Some of the courses I bought today, I've forgotten the login details to the platform, right? I bought courses. Udemy, there are some private website that I bought courses at. Okay, some people hosted their courses using Teachable and all of that. I bought a whole lot of courses on trading, PDF files, everything I see. Now, when you put interest in crypto or anything related to trading, if you go to Instagram, you go to Facebook, every now and then you'll be seeing ads. Everybody wants to teach you how to trade. Everybody wants to teach you how to trade. So at times you buy some of this course, and at the end of the day, you get disappointed, right? That this is not, at times it is the knowledge you have even acquired for free on YouTube, but because you didn't value it because it's a free stuff, you feel is when you pay for it that you will get a lot of value. Then you go pay for it. At the end of the day, you get disappointed. Okay, but some of the courses actually were great. Some of the mentors were actually great. You know, they were there for me and all of that. And that was how I started. I ventured into trading. Okay, when I ventured into trading, I decided to add YouTube to it. But YouTube was not forthcoming, and then I decided to just focus on trading, promoting some of this platform and all of that. And sincerely, guys, I lost a lot of money in the past, but today I can, say it boldly that even where I've not Lambo, okay, even when I've not bought my Lamborghini, buy houses in Dubai and all of that, okay, trading is still sustaining me, guys. Okay, trading is still sustaining me. All right. The buying Lamborghini, buying houses in Dubai is not overnight. We'll get there when we start flying. By then, I will not have the time to start sitting down and be telling you this story. I'll just fly $1,000, right? You got to pay $20,000, and some of you will foolishly pay it, right? You foolishly pay, thinking that when you pay, you will be like me immediately. It doesn't happen that way. Okay, so that's the story of my life as this. All right, there are a whole lot that I didn't share, but the thing is, when I started in this space, I lose a lot of money, and if I've given up today, the benefit I get from the platform right now, from the market and all of that, it wouldn't have been there. But I keep persisting. All right, and the reason why we are putting a course together, trying to teach you guys in order not to lose money as much as we did, is to help you. Even if you have to lose, don't lose and learn the hard way, right? Don't lose and learn the hard way. So if you have questions, as regard what I've said, you are free. Okay, you are free. Please, my boss, I don't know what I press. I can't comment on Telegram. Yes, you've committed, right? Right, you've committed. So it means that you started sending links to Telegram, and then the bot decided to just send me a DM. I'll see how I can restate you back. Okay, maybe after the live stream. All right. Please stop sending links. Stop spamming the platform. That's basically why you shouldn't comment. Okay. Send me your username, your Telegram username. I'll be able to put you back to the platform so that you start commenting. Okay. And the course you are talking about, please. Someone want to pay now? Yes, go ahead. Okay. That the link is in the video description. Go and pay, because I'm going to definitely increase the price. All right, that's the link there. Go and click on it. It brings you to this website. Go ahead and pay now. All right, you have access to the course right now, $25. Next month I'm increasing the price. I'll increase it to $150, and there is no going back. So buy the course right now, and I bet you will not regret it. 9:30, yes, that's why I think we have 60 minutes more to go. Yeah, we're still waiting patiently. Let's see what happened. Okay, let's see what happened. Ethereum is pushing back up. We're back to 3,800. I think I would do something. I'm going to take a long position on it. Okay, I'm going to take a long position on it. I know that stuff will get approved. I will take a long position on it right now. I'll just FOMO into it and say, let me just raise small money. Okay, I'll raise small money and say if once for as long as my liquidation is below 3,600, okay, I'll use like a 25x leverage. For as long as my liquidation will be below 3,600, I'll go ahead and take a trade for each. Okay. Oh, Christopher, I've already done the math for me. So it means that today I'll be worth over 730 million naira. Guys, that's a huge amount of money, right? With this kind of money, I can go and buy Benz and then be showcasing myself every now and then. In fact, I won't even come in here, have the time to come and sit down and be analyzing chart with you guys. Whether I trade or not, once I just come and show you my flashy car, show you my Apple Watch, laptop, phone, and all of that, show you all of those things, you'll just be liking my video and I'll be making money from it. I'll be making money from it. And some of you will say, I'm one of the best traders because I've made money, right? Now that I've not made money, I'm not one of the best traders. All of us on the Telegram, we are sending you link, what's it called? Free signal now. We are not made it. But when we start flying Lambo, we'll become one of the best traders. 1,000 by 500, yes. So if it is $700 million, 700 million naira, right? Or is it in dollar? It's million naira. So that's a whole lot of amount of money, right? I just look. I don't even need to be stressing myself trading every day. Okay, I just look for high probability trade. Put like 10K in that trade, and then that trade will go like maybe you use like a 10x leverage, and then eventually. One of those trades that gave me money was this particular one, UNFI. This one. Okay, where did I enter this trade? Let me show you guys where I entered this trade from. Yeah, I think it's from 4.9. Okay, so if for instance you pick a trade with 10x leverage at 4.9. And this thing actually went up to, that's 18%. Now 10x by 18, okay, 10 by 18, do that. And then use $10,000 as your margin for this thing. Just imagine how much you would have made with 18%, even if you do not trade margin, all right? And then you put $10,000 in this thing in spot, and you're making 18%. Just imagine how much you make. Right, so it is not just about the high leverage, guys. It is not just about the high leverage. You need to know what you are doing in this space if you must survive, right? Because when you lose your money, how do you intend to survive, for crying out loud? How do you intend to survive? So stop using high leverage, guys. Okay, so I'm on a long trade on Ethereum, and then there are a few other tokens that I feel that will follow suit. Okay, if Ethereum goes up, so those tokens are, I'm doing OP long. Okay, I will check the chart for all of those. I'm doing Ethereum long. I'm doing ARB long. I'm doing Lado long. These 4 trades, let me see how it goes. I will just raise what I can afford to lose in it in case the market just decide to liquidate everybody and all of that. I'll just put what I can afford to lose and see how it goes. Okay. Please, I'm new here. How can I break even? And please explain the concept. Please just follow suit. Okay. You're welcome. Subscribe to the channel. Join us on Telegram, and I bet you will enjoy it there. Okay. Samuel, you're welcome. Just follow suit, okay? And I have a course for all the newbies, both newbies and those who have been in the space. Go and buy it now. Once this course is launched, it will be, I can even decide to sell it at $200. Okay. Man, try and make the course is short and concise. Yes, the videos are very short, okay? The videos are short. It's just straight to the point, okay? It's not too long. All right, it's straight to the point, okay? The videos are made short so that you understand, all right? The videos are made short so that you'll be able to follow suit and understand, right? Thank you for that observation. Please, I'm new here. How can I? Okay. You want to break even? How do you want to break even? You don't want to Lambo? Because the courses you are buying, okay? If you buy right now, you cannot access any of the course. But once I have finished uploading all the courses, all right, I will increase the price. That's what I'm actually saying, okay? Once I finish uploading all the courses, I will increase the price. So it's better it is a pre-order price that you see here. You are buying the course before the launch, all right, at $25. If it is launch, it is $150. So you can wait until they launch and pay the real amount, or you buy it right now and wait for me to finish uploading the course and you have access to it. Okay, yeah, so that's basically it. All right. Formatting, yes, you will receive access to the course, but the materials are not available yet. You receive the materials by 16, as you can see right here. Okay, it says please note that this product is pre-ordered and the expected release date is June 16th. All right, I could actually release it before that June 16th, but I just have to put June 16th to see how it works. Okay, this is deep, boss. You called all your downfall and giving loss of us free. Yeah, definitely. We have to, because some of us, when we started, you didn't get all those things. But the thing I've noticed is that people don't value free things, right? You just give them free things and they take it for granted. Okay. Yes, I'm on ETH long already. Let me check how that stuff is going. So the tokens I want to long right now. Okay, let's go trade, guys. Let's go trade. Let me just give you those setup. If you can, because 9:30 is in a few minutes from now. So let's see. Let me find out if I can get where I can get the news. If we can actually follow suit when the announcement is made and all of that. Please put an eye on your Twitter, okay? Put on your notifications so that if there is any news on Twitter, you can equally let us know. All right. So I'm looking at it. Yeah. So let's do the 1 hour time frame, guys. Or let's do 15 minutes, right? Let's use 15 minutes to get our entries. Okay, so if you are not in the trade already for it, you can actually wait for if it would test that level of 3742 or 3740. Okay, 3742 or 3740. You can look at setting a limit order for that. Maybe it could trigger. Okay, because definitely when the news comes, this could dip, and then before it moves up and all of that, the whales will want to liquidate everybody before it moves. If you want to put stop loss, you can do 2 to 3% there. So that's what I'm looking at. Okay, that's for it. That is what you should be looking at. And then the next token that I'm looking for long is ARB2. Okay, if you have not entered this one too, let me see. Let me take off this. This was the previous trade I took. Let me take off that. Okay, if you have not entered the trade on ARB yet, I'm currently long here. Okay, please, if this thing dips, all right, maybe that daily open will equally be a good idea. And ARB, you can target, I don't know, let's do maybe up to $2. I don't know. Okay, you can target up to $2 and all of that. Then put your stop loss below that previous day low. That's about 4% risk. Okay, on whatever margin you enter this trade with. So for ARB, that's what I'm looking at. Then for OP, okay, I want to get a bounce for OP. We are currently at a good level. So this is a 15 minutes time frame. Look for OP long. We'll get to that previous day low. Okay, and then target that high there. Maybe even up to $3. Okay, if we can get it up to $3, that could be good. So OP, that is what I'm looking at. All right, that's what I'm looking at for OP. That is where you can enter a trade for OP. And then the last token that I want to equally hold a trade on is LGO-USDT. Okay, and then I will equally add 𝗕𝗍𝗀𝗽 to it, guys. I equally add 𝗕𝗍𝗀𝗽 to it. That token too has been doing great. Okay, so for this particular one, I don't know, maybe this drop here, if it happens that it comes down to this area, start looking for a buy from that area and maybe target $3 if possible. Okay, but whatever profit it gives us, we'll take it. All right, whatever profit it gives us, we'll take it, and all of that. So these are some of the tokens that I'm looking at taking a long trade on. Okay, and then the last one there will be for this particular token here, 𝗕𝗲𝘀𝘁𝗍. I'm already out of this trade, but it has been doing great, guys. Okay, so this one too has been doing great. If you can take a trade at the market order, fine, but if not, you can wait for this area here. Okay, you can wait for that area. I don't know if that will trigger, but let's see the reaction we'll get in the market. That will make us, see how we can jump into some of these trades and all of that. So I'm just risking what I can afford to lose in all of these trades, right? Please, if you must enter this trade with me, I don't know what the news will come out as. Okay, this market could decide to start dumping from here. It can decide to pump. It can decide to dump before it pump or pump before it dumps. So, but I'm going only long. All right, I'm going only long. So I'm not shorting this market. Okay, I'm only taking a long position. If it hits my stop loss or I get liquidated, I made up my mind for that already. So, guys, if you have the mind to do that, you can go ahead and take a trade if you want to. Okay, so yeah, who wants to join me on stage? Let's talk. Anybody available? Join me on stage, guys. Smash that like button. Okay, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get it rolling. What's going on, guys? Who is still here with me? Who is still here with me? Talk to me, guys. What's going on? Can we make some money from the market? Okay, 9:30 is what we are waiting for. 9:30. All right, thank you so much, Christopher. Okay, let me not let this trade liquidate. Let me set all the stop losses for them. Initially, I say let me just let it run on isolated margin. If I get liquidated, no wahala, but let me just set stop losses, okay? To be on the safe side. Okay, can you shed light on the whole Bitcoin? See, Bitcoin is the, when we talk about cryptocurrency is Bitcoin we are talking about, right? So every other coin you see right now, okay, when we go to CoinMarketCap will tell you that there are over 2 point something million tokens already in the market. Okay. Yeah, 2.4 million and counting tokens in the market. So all of them, Bitcoin itself has no use case. It's just that it is the major crypto, right? Which is why we are saying that Ethereum should be able to get approval, because Ethereum came and then started solving like some real life problems and all of that. You can use the Ethereum network to build a whole lot of things and all of that, which is from Ethereum. Ethereum has been able to give birth to a whole lot of different, projects on the blockchain platform and all of that, right? So when you do forex, you quote forex, from one currency to another. So is it that this currency is dumping and then this other currency is rising? But everything we do here, we put it against the a stable coin, which is equivalent to to the crypto market. So if BTC dips, everybody is saying the whole idea is, okay, if I'm holding let's say I'm holding LDO, I'm holding, when you come to coin market cap, you know why Bitcoin is ranking first here? It's because Bitcoin has the highest, money, like almost half of the market cap for all the crypto. Bitcoin has that alone to himself. Okay, so if people who are holding Bitcoin, a coin as strong as Bitcoin, are selling, who are you holding one shit coin that you cannot sell? So if BTC dips, every other thing dips. All right. It's not as if BTC influences every other market like that, but for instance, 𝗘𝗧𝗰 doesn't really. Bitcoin can be pumping and 𝗘𝗧𝗰 can be dumping, or Bitcoin can be dumping and 𝗘𝗧𝗰 can be pumping. Okay, that is when it now comes to who and who is trading that particular token. All right, when it comes to who and who is trading that particular token, that is when you see all these variations or some token not respecting. But there are deals that will influence, like you see, all the market will be down. Bitcoin is the main organ, which is why you go to most exchanges, you can see every other token against USDT and all of that, but you will still see them against BTC. You can trade ETH BTC, you can trade 𝗕𝗏𝘀𝘍 BTC, you can trade some of these tokens against BTC and all of that. Okay, so after the dollar, after the USDT, BTC is the main currency that you pair every other token with, right? After the dollar, okay, let's say this particular token I'm looking at is 𝗕𝗍𝘅, right? I think it's newly listed, but let's see if 𝗕𝗍𝘅 BTC is available. Okay, this one is not available, but you can see ETH BTC, all right? ETH BTC, all right? Yes, ETH BTC. You can see all of these tokens pairing against the BTC. So BTC is the major coin. Like once it dumps, every other coin dumps and follows suit. Okay, there are no, I don't know, no much explanation to that, but just know that when BTC dumps, every other thing dumps. When BTC moves, every other thing moves, because BTC is the main organ. It controls everything in the market. Okay, it controls everything in the market. So even with the Ethereum approval, you will still see it shake BTC, right? You still see it shake BTC because BTC, people will still use that opportunity. There are people, even if the ETF on Ethereum gets approved, instead of buying Ethereum, they'll be buying BTC. Okay, so everybody prefers to buy BTC, even as expensive as it is today, than to go buy one meme coin that they don't even understand what the use case is. All right, so BTC is a very powerful asset class now that people just buy and hold, and then they are making millions from it. Okay, so just know that BTC is the organ pata of them all, and once where it goes is where every other token follows. What moving average are you using? Moving average 200, moving average 50, and moving average 20. That's the combination of those three moving averages is what I'm using here. Okay, 50, 200, and 20. Those are the moving averages that I'm using. Okay, moving average 50, 20, and 200. All right. Is both. Is it bonk you are talking about? If it is bonk, okay, bonk is both on spot and futures. Yeah, bonk is both on spot and futures, right? Bonk, if it is on spot, it is just bonk. You just type bonk, okay? If it is on spot, it is just bonk. All right, you can see bonk on spot on Bybit, right? But if it is futures, okay, it is 1,000 bonk. All right, so you see 1,000 bonk futures. All right, so if you want to trade it on spot, you just type only bonk. But if you want to trade on futures, you must put 1,000. All right, just like Shiba Inu. Okay, SHIB is on the spot market. It is SHIB, okay, USDT. All right, it is SHIB USDT. You can see Bybit spot. All right, but if you want to trade it on futures, it is SHIB 1,000. All right, it is SHIB 1,000. Okay, that is where you see it on Bybit futures and all of that. So understand those differences. It matters a lot. Okay. Okay, Punky. Is that the name of a token? Guys, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Is the news out? Somebody should check, okay? I was going to go through Twitter. Where's my phone? Is the news out? Jesus. That's serious. And Bybit has removed this reverse option on their market. The reverse option on their market, they have removed it. The news is out, or this is pre-news. Whoa, guys, look at that. Hope this thing didn't hit my stop loss. Let me see. That's why I didn't want to put stop loss. Shit. Can you imagine? Whoa. Jesus wept. Shit. Hey. Who is here with me in this market, guys? What happened? What's the news about that, big? Guys, I don't even know what to say right now. Okay, I think I would have gotten hold of that news or so. Okay, now this is what I was actually saying. This thing will just get everybody liquidated before it start actually going up. Okay, that's exactly what happened here, right? The big guys who are buying right now, okay, because of the volume at which they are buying, definitely they will get everybody liquidated before it start going up. Okay, let me see what happens from here, sir. Let's see what happens from here. Okay, before I come back to that token you're asking of, guys, I need to monitor and adjust my trades accordingly, guys. This thing is something else. This week alone is wicked. I'll come back to that token, guys. For now, let's focus on what is ongoing right now. What's going on, guys? Ethereum went down to 3,500. I would have cut that stuff. That's why I would have used Bybit scale order. Hey, say it's worth $10 gone on it. I'll come back to that punk of a thing that you guys are talking about, but let's. Oh, you even made some money from it. Okay, we'll come back to that, but right now, guys. So that's the reason for this dump, right? Yeah, that's the reason for this dump. So ah, with all this anticipation that this thing will get approved. Yeah, guys. Ah. Shit. Ah. Okay. So we didn't get approved, right? Didn't get the approval we're looking for. Let me just look for some tokens that can go short on and go and sleep. There's a set stop loss on Ethereum, which actually hit that stop loss. I said stop loss on Ethereum. Actually, it hit stop loss, and the only one I didn't set stop loss on was this last one I did. That is what I've been monitoring actually. The LDO is the one I've been monitoring. Then it has not hit stop loss yet. It has not liquidated yet, but I didn't put stop. I was not able to put stop loss in this one, but it has not liquidated me yet. It has not liquidated me yet. But every other one that has stop loss, I got out of that trade immediately. I don't know. Blocking my Twitter account. I cannot log into my Twitter. They say my Twitter has been blocked. What happened? Okay, guys, I can't have access to my Twitter. I don't know what they're speaking English here. Is anybody experiencing any issue with their Twitter account? Okay, so we'll call it a day. Yeah. There's this one that did not equally liquidated me. Yeah, so this is the only one that is in profit, guys. Okay, currently it's in profit. It didn't liquidate, but it's in profit for me. That's the only trade I got. I don't know what will happen, whether it to go up since it didn't approve. I wanted to get the exact news if the approval didn't work and all of that, but my Twitter account is not opening. They say I've been blocked. I don't know why. Okay, somebody should share. Please, if you have that, even if it is a screenshot, share it on Telegram. Let me take a look, okay? Wherever you got that source from, share it on Telegram. Let me get a look at it. Okay, this is the token you guys are talking about, right? Let me open it up. That is on spot, right? Is that stuff trading on fish? I don't think it's futures or spot. Spots. Okay, finally, guys, you see what is happening right now, okay? Please don't bother, all right, rushing into this stuff. Okay, don't bother rushing into this So what we would basically need, I will take our time and look for entry level. For this one is working at, let me see if that will hold. Okay, I will look out for new entering levels. Don't worry, the market will gradually bounce back, because now if they have postponed it, it means that a lot of people will be buying in preparation for the approval and all of that. Okay, a lot of people will be buying in preparation for the approval and all of that. So let's patiently wait and get new levels that we can actually buy Ethereum. But in the next few days, Ethereum will definitely drop. Okay, Ethereum will definitely drop before it start pumping back and all of that. So I'll be looking for short trades. Personally, I'm not going to share that one because I don't know if it will play out or not. But for the long setup, I'll look at long setup and then share you with it, guys, for those who want to actually start buying this stuff going forward. Okay, so I'll look for long setup and then share it with every other person who is interested. Let's see how it goes. I believe Ethereum will come back down maybe to 3,000 and all of that, but let's see how it goes. Okay, between that till weekend, we should be able to get this thing back to 3K, and then from there we'll start looking for buy opportunity to the upside. Okay, guys, we've tried, but we ended up losing some money, but it is what it is, guys. I thought this thing would be approved. That's why I was looking for long. If not, would have been doing both long and short. Okay, would have been doing both long and short, and maybe the short trade would have given us some money and all of that. So yeah, that is it for today. Thank you so much. We spent a lot of time together. The discussion will continue on Telegram. Thank you, guys. Smash that like button before you leave. I'll see you guys tomorrow during the live section. Do have a wonderful night rest, and bye-bye for now.